Hey, what's up? Okay, I'm threading this rod. I'm making a Cavendish gravitometer. This end is already threaded. Freehand style. You gotta sort of concentrate when doing that. It works. So it fits okay. Nice and smooth. Gotta remove this to get this out of the lathe. The ball. I got two balls. A shot, a film for lead shot. And then get it. I gotta drill some holes in something else. So what you do when freestyle doing it, you gotta go by feel. You see there. Okay. Show you. Show them. I just turn this speed and come back. Try it again. It's kind of crazy, but it does work. So this lathe, a little fella. How many of you can do the threading by feel without dial indicators? I don't know. This guy got bits and pieces, put it all together, planed it, trued it all up. I didn't buy it complete. It was a couple of years ago. I mounted this system up here, which is perfect. You can see it. Looks great. All different bits and pieces I found on eBay. Put it together, threw it up. A little scraping here and there on the ways. Otherwise, it looks great. Nice and tight. And this I added. As you can see, that's moving around. It's got to be a third fast. Really fast. Fine thread. What thread is this? Oh, this kind of thread, right? I use that as my test sample. And what else am I gonna do? That's basically it. Pull that out. Clean the lathe up again, oil it okay, and get busy on putting the soft in the balls. That sounds strange, doesn't it? So that's my fun for today. Had fun yesterday with Matthew. That was on his podcast talking a blue streak kind of thing. So you can also do freehand this way, but it's kind of jerky. See? Better doing it with this slow down mechanism of doing it fast. Okay, well that's the story for now.